I'm excited about the future of nuclear power in the United States. After a long period of dormancy, we're finally getting to the point where I believe new plants will be built, and the needs of artificial intelligence are driving that need. And SOCOTEC is well positioned to provide support in this future renaissance, making it an exciting time to be part of SOCOTEC and to be a part of the nuclear industry. My name is Paul Bruck, SOCOTEC Engineering in the United States. We provide expert services as a consultancy to assist the clients with the problems. We'll typically visit the site. We will often have to do instrumentation to measure responses of piping system, analyze that response, and do a detailed finite element type of model to find the most effective solution. Often we're called in to help find a root cause to a failure. This will often involve visiting the power plant, examining the failed component, getting that component shipped to our laboratory, and from that building the cause of the failure and pinpointing the issue and how this will not occur again. Clients in the nuclear field expect us to mobilize teams as quickly as possible, whether that's day or night, on the weekend, and help them keep the power plant running or to get the power plant back online as soon as possible. We have a track record of being able to support them in that manner, reach a solution in a quality, efficient approach. At SOCOTEC, we have a diverse range of expertise to help our clients, whether that's mechanical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers. We're able to bring a great team to solve many different problems. If I was to sum up the expertise of SOCOTEC in the nuclear sector, I would say we are your reliable partner.